Hey guys, it's 9th Street Auto Plaza located in Mount Carmel, Illinois. I have in a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. This has the 3.6 liter V6 engine, 153,000 miles on the odometer. This does have a clean Carfax history. It is going to get you 18 miles per gallon city and 28 highway. I'm going to take you around the vehicle. I'm going to show you any scratches, dings, chips, etc. that I can see. Do have some rock chips on the front, lower middle section of the bumper. And little rust bubbles here on the very tip of the hood lid. Small ding here above the tire there. Tire tread looks really good. There's a few little scratches on the rim. Light scratch here on the back passenger door. And then again here, a little chip. Scratch here at the back. And a little small ding here. And then a little chip there. A little scuff here on the passenger front door. This does have leather interior. Power seats. Panoramic sunroof. Passenger seat goes back and forward as it should. Power side doors. This does also have DVD. I don't have a disc to put in there. And I'll have to start the car to show you if they work or not. Third row, we do have stow and go seats also. On to the rear, it does have some scuffs on the bumper from taking stuff in and out of the trunk. Little chips here on the handle and there above. A little scratch and a small dent there. The paint is peeling off a little bit there. Power seats. So I'm taking them backwards there and back forward. We're not going to go all the way down because of the video. And let's see, take them back to normal. This side. Tire tread is good. Rim looks like it does have a little bit of curb rash. A small scratch, light scratch here on the passenger rear door. And a light scratch here on the driver door also. Tire tread is good. Rim looks good. Does have Harmon Kardon stereo. Power driver seat. Moves forward and back as it should. Show you this second row again. And the second row does have heated seats. The button is on the doors. DVDs. Start it up here. So this does have heated seats in the front also. Backup camera, navigation, also cooled seats. There's navigation, backup camera. There's the radio. Radio functions. Climate, you have cooled seats, heated seats, heated steering wheel. And let's see, sunroof. I'm not sure which button this is. We'll try this one. There we go. Sunroof works properly. It does have a sunshade. Open and close. Do have heater controls here on the back for the second row. DVD player. I'm not sure how to turn those on. Let's see. We'll go to that next here in a minute. We do have cruise control. You can work your rear doors here. Bluetooth. Auto headlights. We're showing 153, 353 on the mileage. There are no check engine lights on the dash. And let's see, we'll do a rev test for you. Take a look and see if I can figure out how to turn these on. This is on already. There's this one. And that one is already on also. So you do have two DVDs in the rear seats. Remote is here. Everything seems to function as it should. Alright guys, again, this is a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. If you want to come and check it out, come see us at 9th Street Auto Plaza, located at 800 West 9th Street, Mount Carmel, Illinois. Contact us at 618-450-2600. Also hop on our website, 9thstreetautoplaza.com, to check out the CARFAX.